create a line, we can go to this menu and choose this icon, and inside the command line we get message to specify first point. We can click somewhere in the drawing area or input coordinates. Let's do a click, and after the click we can continue. As you can see the message specifying other points, one more, and all following points we may need. Or we can also again insert coordinates or simply entering a distance. Besides these possibilities, we have also some options in the command, and usually all commands display options between brackets. So for line we have two options, close and undo. I will create one more line, and now to access the options I can either click on the word undo, and this option undo, it will step back one operation, or I can choose close, and the close option will connect from the current point, which is the point that is located here, until the first point of my line sequence. So close, and it closes the polygon and ends the command. One more topic regarding the options. We can click, as you have seen, on the word, or we can simply type the capital letter or letters that are on the word. For example, again, for the example of the close, I have the C. If I write C, enter after, and it has the same effect.